Why should you choose a scissor lift? The scissor washing lift is not just powerful. It's designed with smart features that save your money. Let's quickly look at its 3 biggest advantages. First, no air compressor is required, reducing 30 to 55,000 extra cost. Second, it only needs a 3-inch pit, making it easy for installation. Third, did you know that traditional lifts require between 180 to 200 liters of oil, costing between 30 to 50,000 rupees? That's a huge expense just for oil. But with the scissor washing lift, you need only 10 liters of oil, which costs around 2,000 rupees. A massive 90% reduction in oil costs. The scissor lift is the smarter choice for your washing center. As you know now, the AutoServ scissor washing lift eliminates the need for an air compressor, works with just a 3-inch pit, and requires only 10 liters of oil. Now let's see it in action. Here's the scissor washing lift in action. Reaches a height of approximately 5 feet, making vehicle washing easier. Comes with a manual safety lock, ensuring extra stability once the vehicle is lifted. With its smooth lifting mechanism, it can effortlessly handle all types of vehicles, from compact cars to large SUVs. You just saw the scissor lift in action with a sedan. But what about SUVs? See for yourself. Here are some pics of SUVs being lifted. From Safari to Fortuner to even Bolero pickup, it can lift up to 4 tons of vehicle with stability. Guaranteed. So, ready to upgrade your washing center? AutoServ offers flexible solutions to ensure your buying experience is smooth and transparent. Fast delivery between 3 to 7 days. Cash on delivery, available pan-India. Easy EMI options available. Our lifts are packed and delivered through reliable logistics partners, assuring your equipment reaches you safely. Lastly, our trained engineers will personally visit your location and provide a professional installation. At AutoServ, we don't just deliver great equipment. We build lasting relationships through exceptional service, quality products, and dependable support. Our commitment to transparency and customer satisfaction makes us the preferred choice for workshops and washing centers across India. To discuss pricing, learn more, or finalizing a deal with us, simply contact us. Thank you for choosing AutoServ. We look forward to partnering with you and helping your business succeed.